Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Bless. This is a part 2 of my vlog today. So come on, let's go. Let's go. Continue watching. Alam nyo guys, paborito ko tong subject na ito guys. Biotech, wallet box. Purna biotechnology, that's my favorite subject. Meat without animals, carne sin animales. Oh, that's meat without animals. Scientists are making protein-rich food that tastes more and more like animal meat, but with far fewer of the environmental and ethical concerns. Ayan, yung insulin. Ayan. It has been made by genetically modified microbes since 1978. So, ayan, makakagawa na ng insulin galing sa mga microbes. This innovation was made by Gentech here in the Bay Area.
Ayan mga karancho, biodetergents. Enzymes allow cloth to be washed at lower temperature. Mga karancho, this is bioreactors of algae, can make medicines, can make combustible materials, and also can make biodegradable plastic.
So this one,
Ito naman mga karancho ay tinatawag na centrifuges. Ang function nito ay pinaghihiwalay niya sa isang liquid na nasa test tube ang solid particles ng nandoon sa liquid. So, after the centrifugation, the liquid inside the test tube will form two layers. The lower part is the solid and the upper part is the liquid. Ito naman yung yeast bioreactor that can make sugar into different chemicals. And those chemicals can be a smell like raspberry, rose, herba, vetiver, vanilla, at saka yung coconut.
wala nang smell. I cannot smell it anymore. No more smell. Hindi na maamoy. So I cannot identify. Oh wow. Oh yeah, this is the rose. Still smelling. Guys, dito naman tayo sa susunod. Animal Discovery Zone. Hi, turtle.
Hey, Grayson, what you guys doing? We're just watching this big turtle. Daddy, why is your name Franklin? Why is it? There's one swimming.
Ano ba pangalan nito? Axolot. Asan ba ito? Sige. Wala, nagtatago. Sally, where are you? Where are you, Sally? You're hiding. Alam nyo guys, kawawa naman yung ibang animals dito. Nagtatago na sila kasi na-stress na sila. So this one is the skink. Oh, look at that. That one. blue tongues.
Kaya nila na maingay daw.
Na-stress na si Python. Nagtago na. So, ito naman yung Bagtopia.
Mga karancho, ito namang Bagtopia ay parang encyclopedia ng mga insekto na gusto mong malaman kung ano-ano ba ang kanilang mga structural characteristics, ang kanilang mga kinakain, ang kanilang mga legs kung ilan, at ano ba ang kanilang ginagamit pagkain at kung saan sila nakatira.
Ay, maganda yan. O, pag yung butterfly ang inilagay, yan naman yung ano, lalabas doon. Ayun. So, ayun yung butterfly. So, aalamin mo kung ano ang kanyang istorya, kung ano gusto mong malaman tungkol sa adult. Ayan. Pipindutin mo lang doon yung gusto mong malaman yung mouth, yung antennae, wings ng butterfly. Yun. So, mamimili ka dito kung anong mga gusto mong ilagay doon. Tapos, pag nilagay mo doon, makikita mo na doon yung kamukha niyan, butterfly ang nakalagay. Ayan. Butterfly ang nakalagay. So, ayun, butterfly yung makikita mo doon. So, that is what you call Bagtopia. Bagtopia. That is what you call Bagtopia. So, pag pinindot mo doon, yung mouth, it will tell something about the mouth of the butterfly. Pag pinindot mo naman yung wings, it will tell something about the wings of the butterfly. So, pag pinindot mo yung ano pa ba pinipindot? Mouth, wings,
It's the same as the monarch butterfly. How about the tarantula?
yan.
That's right. You can see.
Yung habitat. O, ayan naman, tarantula naman.
I want to know tarantula.
So, this is another butterfly. If you want to know the mouth, the abdomen, and the wing. Yan. O, ano ba kinakain nila. Yan. Ganda. Ang ganda nitong Bagtopia. Ang ganda niya. Ayan, this doesn't harm. So, ayan na siya. Adult butterfly na siya. Ang ganda. Okay, let's try tarantula. Ayun, ayun siya. So,
11 inches. It's like this big.
oh, the legs.
Because it's
Ayun. Yung fangs niya, yung fangs.
look at the fangs, Mateo. The tarantula's jaws were serrated or tipped by sharp fangs that act like needles to inject toxins into prey. They can grow up.
So, that is Goliath tarantula. Like rodents, bats, Goliath. California mantis.
Hind legs of the mantis are good for climbing up and clinging onto plants. The front legs are shaped like hooks and covered in spines. These claw-like structures are called raptorial
Appendages.
appendages.
So, ayan naman yung rhinoceros beetle. Oh, tingnan mo yung ulo niya, oh, parang may pantusok talaga. Ano kinakain niya? Cockroach.
Oh no, try a different one.
So, ano kinakain niya?
Oh no, they eat sap. Sap of, yung makadakta ng ano.
Oh, ayan yung ano niya, oh. Yung ngipin niya. Tingnan mo yung ngipin niya. They need from plant.
Ganyan ba yung mga nanghuli natin dito, ano? Canine.
Oh,
So,
sige,
is it sharp, flat?
Lesonan mo yan.
No, what type of teeth do they have? Is it flat or sharp? Flat. Sharp. Sharp teeth because they eat. That's what they used to eat meat because they're carnivores. How about a sheep, which is a herbivore? What type of teeth does it have? Does it have yeah. Look at this one. This is the example of that. So this one, what is this? What is this one?
Is
This
that
is
coyote?
the fur. This is the fur of.
Coyote. This one is
Yeah.
deer.
Look at touch it.
This one is deer. This one
Which
is
is the Which one is the first one?
coyote. Is that coyote?
Coyote.
Coyote. This one. What is this?
What is that?
What about the fur? What fur is that?
I don't know which one is this.
Ang lambot. Walang pangalan kung ano to.
Kasi may nag-i-explain dyan eh, naka-break.
Oo. So, wala lang. So guys, ang dami nyong makikita dito talaga, animal discovery zone here in this particular portion. You can discover things about animals, yung mga skull nila, yung kanilang ngipin in the Lawrence Hall of Science. But this time ay malapit na kaming umuwi kaya magulo-gulo na ito. Hindi na namin nadatnan kung paano ba to ginagawa ng mga bata. Mga bata usually nagdo-drawing sila. Tapos ilalagay nila dito yung din-drawing nila. Ayan. So, it is called biodiversity. Yan. And you can make an observations and record the outdoor nature laboratory biodiversity. So, yung mga bata, meron ditong mga lapis. Magdo-drawing sila kung ano yung gusto nilang i-drawing na mga animals like birds, insects. Yan. Tapos ilalagay nila dito. Yan. Ayan ang mga sample ng drawing ng mga bata. So, tapos na, wala nang nag-a-assist dito kaya pauwian na. So, dito naman yung Animal Discovery Zone niche. Niche, ibig sabihin tirahan, habitat. Tara! So, eto ang tirahan ng ayun o, ayun yung ayan. Siya ay buttercup and bone. Asan si buttercup? Asan si Bonnie? Ayun. Ayun siya. Si buttercup. Where are you, acorn? Wala. Nagtatago. Ayun si Loki. Ayun Loki. There is Loki. Ayan. Nagtatago. Ayaw nang maingay. Ayaw nila nang maingay. Ayun siya, si Loki, ang pangalan niya. There is Loki.
Loki lang daw kasi siya. Loki.
Hi, Rabbit. Hello, Rabbit. You're so cute, Rabbit. Why are you so cute? Oh, the other one is eating. Their name is Spock. Is that Spock or Spock? Spock and Uhura. Hi, Rabbit. Are you Uhura or Spock? Spock. Oh, you're eating grasses. Hi there. Hi, Rabbit. Hello. Are you Spock or Uhura?
Where are these many cute?
There, inside. There is Paco. Paco is so very shy. Oh, there. Hi, Paco. Hi, Paco. How are you? Hi, Paco. Paco is there inside.
Mga karancho, thank you for watching.